Ciao everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this cutesy little balloon arrangement. The first time that I created one, you guys loved it so much. It made me want to show you how I'm making this cute little one. I'm making this one for a baby shower. This is going to be for a drive-by baby shower for a little girl, and I am going to show you how I used it. Now I am going to show you a technique that I learned. I see how this pink balloons that I have is completely too bright, and then my white balloons are just plain white. So I'm stuffing my white balloons with the bright pink balloons because when I blow them up, it's gonna be a softer pink balloon, which is what I want. So I stuff them like this, and once I have all of my balloons ready, I am going to start blowing them up. Now look how cute this pink is. It's not as bright as before, and the white itself just kind of gives it that nice softness that I was looking for. So this is my plan for today. So you see me trying to tie it, and I had to keep remembering that I am not tying just one balloon. I am tying two balloons. So when I have a pair, I am actually tying four balloons together, which will make my fingers kind of hurt a little. The more I did it, the more that I learned that I had to apply more force to tie them together. So if you find yourself doing this technique, just remember that you're going to have to apply more force than usual once you do your doubles, and then it looks very pretty, but you're going to have to work a little harder. So you see me here tying them together to make a pair, and then I am going to keep blowing more balloons because I want to make a quad. And by quad, I have to just put four balloons together, and I need a quad for the bottom and a quad for the top. And for the space in between, I am going to blow 5-inch balloons and create like a mini quad and put them together to form the base. Okay, so now I'm going to blow this Mylar balloon. She's so cute, but I need to be very careful because I have blown up so many of these. They just pop out of nowhere. These particular ones that I bought from Amazon are not the best. Out of 6 of them that I received, only 2 were great because the other ones, I couldn't even put the straw through the rest of them. They would just break, and I'm being super careful right now because I don't want this one to break on me either. And the reason why I'm using a straw, because although it does come with a smaller one, it's harder and it pops the balloon, so I don't want to use it again. So I am pumping with my hand pump so that I control the pressure and the size of the air going into the balloon, because again, I don't want to pop it like I did before. So a hand pump is always best. Once fully inflated, I am going to use a longer, skinnier balloon to tie my baby balloon onto the base. Now the base, because it's balloons, it's not too heavy. So what I like to do, I create a water weight by filling up a pair of balloons, tying them together, and then tying those 2 water balloons to the bottom of the base that I had created for my little number here. Once I tied it together, it was nice and sturdy and it would not move. Again, this is for an outside drive-by baby shower. So the water balloons are gonna make the design just stay in place. Now I am blowing smaller balloons because I want to decorate around the base. I want to add it onto this hula hoop that I'm decorating to create more of a height for the design, and just creating nice little sizes and different placements of these tiny balloons will make it look fuller and prettier. Okay, once I made my little clusters, I just went and I placed them around the hula hoop, and as you can see, it's such a nice little gift for my friend. She is going to place this outside, and look how gorgeous. I love it so much. Now, these little flowers that you see on the side, I am sorry I didn't show you how to make them because it takes a little while, but if you want me to show you, I'll be more than happy to show you guys how I made those. Just leave me a comment in the comment section and I will make a nice detailed video so that I show you guys how to make these. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, please let me know. Leave me a comment and I would make sure that I create these flowers for you in my next balloon video. Ta-ta!